Hello and welcome to the complete SQL Bootcamp course. I am Ankit Mistry and I'll be your instructor in this course. I have been teaching on Udemy from last several years on various topics related to data science, Python and machine learning. And with me in this course, Vijay is going to join. So what is SQL? A structured query language. A query language which is used to interact with the database, so that you can organize your data in a better way. After completion of this course, you will have a solid foundation of SQL and you will be able to write SQL on your resume. One of the most in-demand IT skill. In this course, we'll be learning with one of the very high-performance database, Oracle SQL. But the skills you will learn which will be equally applicable to other databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL Server. Equally, you can apply on a cloud database like Amazon RDS or a Google BigQuery, Google Cloud SQL. We are going to work with the online version of Oracle Apex where we are going to write our all query. So absolutely no installation is required. You will be able to write your first query within a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So let's just have a look at the course content. We'll get started with a basic introduction with what is SQL and what is database management system. We'll see how to get your environment set up. As I told, there is no absolute installation are required. Then we'll move towards writing your basic SQL query using different clauses like where, and, or, sorting of your data, alias keyword, some of the built-in SQL functions like character function, datetime function, conversion function. Next, we'll move towards a grouping of function. How to group your data. How to interact with a multiple table together and join. How to create the tables. How to do modification on your table, like insertion of your data, deletion of your data, update your data, and then we'll see some of the analytical function like partition by and order by. And then I have kept one more extra bonus section where I'm going to teach you about one of the high performance in-memory database like a Redis database. In this course, you will get hours of HD quality video and plenty of exercise to practice it. There is always question answer forum, so me and my friend Vijay will be there to help you. After completion of this course, you will get certificate of completion, which you can share on a different social media network. There is always 30 days money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll it today and start organizing your data now. And I will see you inside the class.